Well, if your abstract art project doesn't go as planned, sometimes you need a flat surface to restart. No, actually, this is just an experiment. We're wanting to see just how big of a post we could actually cut a flat surface on. So we made our own. Weapon of choice, Husqvarna 576 with a 28-inch bar. Let's see if we can make it flat. All right, take two on the clamp job. Let her rip, Tater Chip. It's a little short. I think we can cut her deck post off of that.